In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. On Settings, scroll down for a bit until you find Control Center. And then first off you need to add screen recorder to included controls. Just scroll down until at More Controls section you will find screen recording. Just tap at that plus sign next to that feature to move it to included controls. Now you are able to get access to screen recording from the control center. Just swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the control center, and then in order to start screen recording just hit at that screen recording shortcut, and after a 3 seconds countdown it will start recording the screen. You will know that screen is recording if the time right here is red. If you want to stop screen recording, just stop right here and then hit at Stop. That will save your screen recording to Photos app. You can open up Photos app, then Recents, and here it is. Also, you can add an voiceover to your screen recording video. Just at the control center, hold down at the screen recording shortcut, and then just enable your microphone and hit on Start Recording. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.